Good morning. Well, I don't think that there's a treasure buried here, but 2 days ago we had an excavator here, and the excavator excavated a trench all the way down there. And all the way up there to the house. And we put 2 tubes inside to feed the garage gate with electricity and also to be able to control it from the house. And the electrician told us every 15 meters he wants like an inspection hole, like access to this tube. So and that's why I'm here, and I'm going to dig here because, well, the excavator was so quick refilling the trench that I couldn't even mark where it exactly was. But I think it was more or less here. So I'm going to look for the tubes now, and then we take it from there. So this time I want to plan a little bit what I'm doing. The electrician said that the hole should be like 40 by 40 centimeters. And I found this lid here, and that has 40. So, but I don't think that, I mean, if the inside of the hole is 40, I think that's quite big. I think it could be a bit smaller. So I was thinking maybe have the lid like halfway on the brickwork, then the hole would be a bit smaller. But the question is, how do the bricks fit? Maybe like this. Now that looks okay. And then this. That would be alright. Thing is, the 2 tubes, they have almost the width of one brick here. But okay, we'll see about that later. So, but what I need to do is I need to excavate a hole which is basically that wide. It's almost 50. So 50 by 50. And then I pour the concrete at the bottom, and then I build some bricks on top. Okay, let's start digging. So I've been looking for a while, but now I saw something red. Somewhere here. Yeah, there's the first tube here, and the other one should be just next to it. Now you can see it here. So now, okay, now I want the hole 50 by 50. My tape measure here. So that would be So this is my special digging tool. I got that from a locksmith as a present. Don't even remember why he gave that to me, but it's very useful. The sand is the ground is quite hard. Um, this helps a lot. So now that the neighbor is doing the noise with his leaf blower, I still wanted to explain a few things. So I'm going to do it this way. So here I'm cutting the tubes. I'm trying, I'm struggling. It's not the best knife to do that. Very short. For the concrete base, I want to go around like 10 centimeters, more or less like the height of one brick further down under the tubes. So put the concrete under the tubes. And this brick is to have some drainage for the hole in case there's any water going inside. So I'm going to put the concrete around that brick and not under it and not above it. To leave that open, that the water can go in the ground. So to mix the concrete, I'm going to use 3 buckets of sand and 2 buckets of pebble stones and then half a bag of cement. So this is a little rest of cement, and then later on I put half a bag of cement. So then I'm using a bit more than half a bag in total, because I had this rest I wanted to use. So, and then unfortunately something happened with the camera and I couldn't film anymore. But I wanted to finish the brickwork anyway, so I kept going without filming. But I decided to show the brickwork in the next inspection hole, which I still have to do. So, yeah. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.